Hello, my name is Victor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the dish soap dispenser on the kitchen sink. In my case, it's going to replace the sprayer hose because my new kitchen faucet that I'm about to install has it built in, so I ended up with the extra hole in the sink to fill in. Step 1, get under the sink and close the hot and cold water supply valves. Step 2, loosen the retaining nut holding the sprayer hose. Step 3, loosen the retaining nut on the other end of the hose. Some of the remaining water may spill into your cabinet. Use a rag or a cloth to catch it. Step 4, take out the sprayer hose. Step 5, if necessary, clean the area around the hole. Next, we're going to install the brand new dish soap dispenser. This is what we personally went with. It comes in the brushed nickel finish, has pretty good build quality and elegant design. If you're interested, you can check out the link for this product in the description area below. To assemble the dispenser, we'll need to remove the top, attach the straw, put the top back on. Next, it has this rubber washer, and then we're going to install this whole assembly into the hole in the sink. On the other side, inside the cabinet, you'll need to install the second rubber washer, followed by the plastic retaining nut, and finally fill up and attach the soap container. Here's how the soap dispenser looks after the installation. This video is part of my kitchen sink remodel series, so be sure to check out my other videos on how to replace the kitchen faucet and under the sink reverse osmosis water system faucet. I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.